Waiter's friend. It's a type of corkscrew having a small blade and can be easily folded into your pocket. It's by far the most popular wine bottle opener, whether it's a bar, restaurant or home. It is also termed as a sommelier knife as it also incorporates a foil cutter and bottle cap opener. Sommelier is a wine waiter who is in charge of wine service in a restaurant. It's also called waiter's friend not only because of its multi-utility and pocket size, but also its simple mechanism and convenient to use. A waiter can open as many bottles as he wants without any fuss. The folding body design was made by Carl F. A. Winekey from Germany in 1882. It was patented in Germany, England and America. As it was originally a variation of corkscrew, so to differentiate it, people started calling it Winekey corkscrew after the name of inventor. Winekey was difficult to pronounce for English speakers, so they started calling it Winekey. After 10 years, in 1992, bottle opener was added. This opener is used by lemonade street vendors and pick its name Lemonedor. Along the way, it also picked some other few nicknames such as Waiter's Friend, Sommelier Knife, Winekey. First, you have corkscrew blade, used for removing the foil from the bottle. Many sommeliers also prefer to start cutting the foil around second lip. Corkscrew is in the form of pointed hillocks made up of metal called worm. We place the worm in the center of the cork and twist it to insert into cork. This part is handle, used to make a grip. This is boot leveler. We place it on the lip of bottle, which helps in holding the bottle in place. Then lever the handle up to pull the cork. When the cork is 90% out, retrieve the cork with your hand. Well guys, with anatomy you also learned how to open a wine bottle. There is also one more useful part below the boot leveler. This is bottle opener, used to remove bottle cap, mostly used to open beer bottle. In market you will also find a double hinge full comb corkscrew for extra leverage and smooth pulling even the longest of corks. I hope now you have a better understanding of waiter's corkscrew and how to open wine bottle. Comment for any doubt or suggestion, like, share and subscribe Hospitality Broadcast.